A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So we are back with our conversation class. And as you know, in our conversation class, what we do? We practice to communicate in English. And we will try our best to be fluent. Okay? हमारी कोशिश होनी चाहिए कि हम इंग्लिश में फ्लुएंटली बात करें, right? So in the last class, as you know, we learned how to introduce ourselves. अपना introduction कैसे दें? Okay, that is, if you meet some stranger for the first time, when you come to school also after so long, you will meet so many new people, and you should give your introduction. After that, what should happen? What we should talk? That we will discuss today. Okay, let's go. Okay, so you can see there are so many people, and just like you, they are all new to each other. They are new and they are meeting for the first time. They have given the introduction. Now let's see what they're talking. Okay, so here are some expressions you can use after introduction. Let's see what it is. Hi Ketan, nice to meet you. The reply is, nice to meet you too. Instead of nice to meet you, you can also say, how do you do? Now, see, when we meet someone for the first time, as I told you, we introduce ourselves, right? After that, we should say that, okay, आपसे मिलके अच्छा लगा. It is nice to meet you. Okay, so hi Ketan, nice to meet you. In reply, what we will say? Nice to meet you too. But if you don't want to ask this, nice to meet you, if you want to ask something else, but the meaning should be same. Okay, what we can say is, how do you do? How do you do? Okay, now, hello Cherry. It's a pleasure to meet you. You can say this also. The reply is, glad to meet you too. This means कि Cherry, आपसे मिलके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And जब आपको कोई ऐसा बोलता है, तो हम reply में क्या बोलते हैं? हमें भी आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा. So in English, when someone asks you, when someone tells you it's a pleasure to meet you, what you will say? Glad to meet you too, or it's a pleasure to meet you. Okay? This is how you can say. Now, the reply of it can also be how do you do, which also means nice to meet you. Now see, हमने क्या देखा? Nice to meet you के place पे हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? How do you do? Okay? In this place we can ask this also. Answer or the meaning is same. So if someone asks you nice to meet you, we will reply nice to meet you too. Okay? मुझे भी आपसे मिलके अच्छा लगा. What else we can say? It's a pleasure to meet you. And in reply you can say glad to meet you too. Okay? When someone says it's a pleasure to meet you, and we will reply glad to meet you too. So we should use such kind of sentences while we introduce someone or while we talk to some new people. Okay, this was what? This was the introduction part, that is after the introduction part. What to say after the introduction. Is it clear? So these are the lines which we can say. Now, let's just do one more topic. What is it? Now see, there are three friends sitting. Or are they strangers? So the next one is introducing a friend to another friend. Now see, when you come back to school, there may be some of the friends, है ना? आपको कुछ लोग होंगे जो आपको पता है, but there can be a possibility that both of them, they don't know each other. Now for example, if I say that Vanshita and Siddharth, they are friends, right? Vanshika also knows Hetli, right? Why? Because they are also friends. So if Siddharth does not know Hetli, so what will Vanshika do? Vanshika सिद्धार्थ और हेतली को भी एक दूसरे से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाएगी, है ना? क्यों? क्योंकि हम अपने फ्रेंड्स और बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे फ्रेंड्स एक दूसरे को जाने, राइट? So that time how we will do? So let's see. There is Anup, Rohan and Deepa in this conversation. Anup, hello, my name is Anup. Okay, Rohan. Hi Anup, I am Rohan. So both of them are talking. Nice to meet you, Rohan. Nice to meet you too. Remember, before this only we discussed. This is my friend Deepa. So now Anup, what is Anup doing? Anup is introducing his friend Deepa. Anup अपने friend दीपक को introduce कर रहा है दूसरे friends से. Rohan, yes I know. We have met before. How are you Deepa? So in this case, Rohan already knows Deepak. Okay, वो already Deepak को जानता है. So what he said? Yes, I know him. We have already met before. How are you Deepak? So in general what we do whenever we meet someone after a long time, what we ask, how are you? Deepak said, I am fine, thanks. And you? If someone asks you, how are you? You will say, I am fine. But we should also in return ask, what about you? How are you? So Rohan said, I am very well, thanks. Anu, we must go now. See you later. Then when we have to go, okay, अब हमने friends से बात कर ली, जब हमें जाना हो तो we should politely say, we must go now. See you later. That means we will meet afterwards. Then Rohan said, okay, see you later. Bye. Okay, children. So this way we should talk to each other. We should be polite, and this shows how are we as a person also. How do we respect? Do we respect each other or not? When we are going also, अब हमें जाना है, जाने का time, so we should not rudely say no, I have to go now. We should say see you later. Okay? So this was the topic was what to say after introduction, and I hope it is clear to all. So we'll meet in the next class. Till that, take care of your health. Goodbye. May God bless you.